Alright YouTube, welcome to another video. Today's video, I haven't done this in a while. I'm making a tongue drum video and I just discovered something. So today, I'm going to show you what it sounds like sitting on my lap versus setting it on a normal flat surface. Well, honestly we can tell that it sounds different. Let's play a little bit of a Irish tune on it. Honestly, setting the drum on your lap is going to make it more of a muffled sound. Gotta make sure I'm hitting the right tongues. Alright, so that's a little Irish tune with it sat on my lap. And look at this beautiful cyan light coming off of it. The manufacturers call it lake blue, but it's, it's got that dark cyan glow. And now that's sitting on my lap. It gives it a muffled sound, and the notes don't ring out as long. Now here I am setting it flat on my desk, my computer, I should say. I'm going to set it flush flat. It's got rubber feet on the bottom, so you can set it on a table. And that's what I'm going to do. Set it there. Now I'm actually going to do something special. I'm going to hit the lowest note. I'm going to compare it sitting on my lap, and then compare it sitting on the table. So here's what it sounds like. Lowest note, in this case low E, because this is pitched in the key of A. So I'm going to hit low E. We're going to see how long it rings. And then I'm going to set it on the table, and we're going to see how long it rings when it's on the table. So here's the note on my lap, with the drum on my lap. Make sure I hit the tongue right on. A little less than 3 seconds. Or maybe even 4 seconds. But now, let's hear what it sounds like. Well, the other metal parts, like the other metal bits, do ring out a bit, but now let's hit it on the table and see how long it rings out. Wow. Here, let me turn down the fan, that way you can hear a lot more clearly. There you go. Let me turn it off. Turn off the fan. Now let's hear it again. Wow. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Let me ring it again. It actually takes 13, maybe even 14 seconds to die down versus when you set it on your lap. Let's try and hit A. Hit the A note. See how long it lasts versus sitting on my lap versus the table. Again, about 3 seconds. Now, put it back on the table. Now here we go. Here's the low A. Wow. And here's that Irish tune again. Setting it on the table actually allows it for the notes to kind of ring out like a bell, actually, versus sitting it on your lap. Now, admittedly, it was actually easier for me to play this tune with the drum on my lap. And just trying to get the notes to ring, but my lap is actually muffling the drum, so therefore it's not resonating as well. If you set it on here and hit the notes, it actually allows all the notes to ring out just like a bell. Let's play a fun tune. Let's play the Westminster Chime on the drum. And that is my latest tongue drum discovery. I guess next time I play my tongue drum, I'll probably be placing it on the table versus on my lap, just because it allows the notes to ring out a lot longer, around like 12 or 13 seconds. Alright, thanks for watching, and more to come later.